Hey guys, welcome back. I'm probably gonna do a new segment, probably put it on a playlist or something of daily grind videos. This is what I do day to day. Um, I'm a body guy at a dealership as a full-time job. So what we're doing here is we're taking the seam sealer off of a rear body panel. It's what's usually behind a rear bumper. I'm just replacing the outer skin, and this is after I pulled it on the frame rack already. Coming back, I put it on the lift so it's easier up in the air. I can get to everything, like the welds on the backside of the frame rails and the backside of the floor pan. And this right here, I'm grinding all those spot welds off. Instead of drilling them, it's a lot nicer. Um, if you ever come across this tool, you can pick them up at Harbor Freight, or this one's a 3M belt grinder. It is the best tool I have ever owned. Definitely comes in handy. I use it on quite a bit of other stuff as well as just spot welds in general. I can dress my MIG welds with it and everything like that. And then this here, instead of using an air hammer, I used a seam buster and just a ball peen hammer because I didn't really feel like making too much noise, and plus it was simple enough to just use a. And here I'm using a Scotch-Brite on the belt sander now to prep all my welding areas that I'm going to use the spot welder to spot weld everything back on. There is no MIG welding on this job here. And now we're getting ready to seam seal it. Before you seam seal on most cars, they recommend putting etch primer down on any bare metal. That's what you see underneath the seam sealer. It's gray etch primer. I just dusted it on for some corrosion protection, just in case the urethane seam sealer, some type of moisture gets behind there or debris. At least it will still be protected and it won't rust at all. So this is ready for the paint shop. Besides the left quarter panel had a small dent in it. I took care of that after doing this. And that's going to be it for this daily grind video. If you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, send it to your friends. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.